Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afifa Zakia. Our project is about waste sorting and our focus is household community. Waste is the biggest problem in countries which are unequipped to deal with it. It's contaminating our ocean, it's clogging our drain and causing flooding. It's spreading disease, causing respiratory infection and harming animals. As countries become more prosperous, their trash can become increasingly full. Rapid urbanization and population growth adds to the problem, making collection increasingly problematic and sites for treatment harder to locate. Sorting of waste is critical to improving the amount of waste that is recycled, as well as quality of recycled materials. Waste sorting process is where waste sort into categories according to the material and recyclability. This waste sorting effort is expected to lead to a healthy and prosperous life, build sustainable cities and settlement, deal with the climate change, and protect land and our ocean in ecosystem.
Besides that, most household communities they lack knowledge about waste sort management. Another research of solid waste in Indonesia found that solid waste has increased each year since 2006 and reached 64 million tons per year. So a solution is needed to reduce solid waste, otherwise it is predicted to be increasing 2 or 4% every year. By implementing sorting waste, it gives an impact way beyond our kitchens, garbage bins, and even communities. By properly sorting, recycling from garbage and compost, we are helping to improve air and water quality and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Properly sorting waste means that less ends up in landfills and more of what we throw away can be used and recycled. So for a better future for ourselves and our kids, this definitely starts at the household level. However, from what we have observed is that waste sorting behavior at the household level is still very low, especially in Indonesia. A previous study found that waste sorting behavior in Indonesia is still low and becomes the reason for the government policy enactment about recycling programs through waste banks, which unfortunately only 30% of it works regularly. And the main problem of recycling in the waste bank is the households. They do not have waste separation behavior, and all the solid waste gets mixed. Spreading awareness through social media platform, which is on the Instagram, is one of the ways that we are trying to do as a youth. We use the Instagram to share basic knowledge, tips and tricks, and Islamic principles as well that are related to waste sorting management to reach the household community.
We also make a mini quiz in our Instagram story in order to know the feedback from our followers, what they get from our Instagram, and to test their knowledge related to the waste sorting management.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aslina Pada. I would like to present about Islamic perspective. Islamic perspective very focused to kindness, and the way sorting our project is the one to show that kindness is very considered from the Islamic. Muslim requires to take care about the clothes and the surrounding environment to be safe and very kindness. Based on the Quran and Hadith, in the Hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that at-tahuru shatrul iman. The kindness is the half of the faith. Kindness is the half of the Islamic of the iman. And also based on the Quran, the word 9, the surah 9, word 108 mentioned that Allah loves those who make themselves clean and pure. So the waste sorting is very to show and very related Islamic perspective for the kindness. So our project not only focus for the shame the world, but it's very related from the faith of Iman in Islamic should do.
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In conclude, waste is the one big issue that leads air pollution in any pollution in the world. So the idea of waste sorting is the one good idea led to be green environment, and Islamic perspective also support for cleanliness. Let's reuse the past, recycle the present, and save the future. Let's change the world together by waste sorting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.